guys, this is Suzanne from Raf Jam, your favorite place to stay in the mountains. Please subscribe to No Mediocre 876. As a matter of fact, please like this video. See you soon!
So as promised, I am with the one, the only, Susan from Raf Jam. Alright, so my viewers, my No Mediocre family want to know so much about this place because we take a whole heap of pictures and do some videos showing all around the place, right? So Susan, one of the most important questions I want to know, right, is how did you come about with this whole place like Raf Jam? When was it started?
Alright, let me tell you. I love people.
You see that?
So, yes, I love people. So, I started 12 years ago with one room. And as a matter of fact, I inherited this property. So, I started 12 years ago with one room. My husband said to me, you know, you can do a B&B with this property, even though it was a woodland. Knowing me, with my energy and my go-getting vibes, I just run with the idea. Yeah. And I started with one room, and I'm here today. We have more than one properties. We have here at this location, we have 10 rooms, and we are doing excellent. I can't complain. But that's it. I just love it. Love the people. People keep coming back. I guess them love my vibes. You know?
And I love your energy. People trust me. If you come here sad, just our energy alone will just change how you feel. But
Yes.
you know what I need to the other people to know is where exactly Raf Jam is going.
Alright, we are in the foothills of the Blue Mountain. Let me tell you, we're in Irish Town. Irish Town. So when you're coming from Papine, like you're going to Newcastle area, we're in Irish Town. We're Red Light District, a bit after Irish Town. So we're in the hills. Close to Kingston, but once you're here, you feel like you're in the jungle.
Yeah.
And that's what people like.
Yes, away from the hustle and bustle
Away
of the
from,
city.
from everything.
Yeah, man. All right. So what are the accommodations that you offer? What specifically? Because you whole heap of different rooms. All I want to know in the corner.
All right.
One.
All the rooms are unique.
Yes.
All of them have them nice. All of them nice, but all of them different. Like we have a room called the cave room, which is new. Everybody love it. Everybody running
Yeah,
to
I saw
it.
it. Yeah.
It's amazing. It has a modern, contemporary kind of feel. Very sexy, very posh.
That means I try to must come back.
Yes. And we have a family cabin, which is built around the stone, natural stone that actually on the walls. And that's for a family. So if you're coming with a family or a group of friends, you can sleep up to 10 people. So we have that, and then we have other rooms that sleeps couple like honeymoon. We have the suite, nature suite, which is a honeymoon suite, which is nice, open concept. We have the Africa room, which is my favorite.
Ooh.
It's small. It has a concept of an African style living, but clean and nice and rustic. So yeah, we have different rooms for everybody. Everybody, if you're coming 3 hours, 4 hours, 10 hours, we have room for all of
You
them.
hear that, No Mediocre crew? Any amount of people want come, just come over here, man. Susan have a room for all of you guys.
Yes.
Alright, so next question. What would you say makes Raf Jam outstanding?
I know. Firstly, that my staff, me, and I don't know, I get that all the time. Like, you, Susan, are you there? If you're not there, I'm coming. And I always have to say, hey guys, Raf Jam is not just me. But I think I have a lot to do with it. But I think the fact that we're on a little island with water running both ways, because in entering the property, you're going over a river, and at the back, that's where the luxury is, with the river, waterfall, different river pools, the garden, the lush greenery. I think these are all things that makes us special.
So Susan, if people want to reach out to you, how can they do so?
Alright, so we have a whole heap of ways now, so listen carefully. So you can contact me directly, and trust me, if you WhatsApp me, you don't have to go through nobody else because you get the straight answer right there. And my contact is 426-3667. Remember the area code, it's 876-426-3667. You can email us at rafjam.productions@gmail.com. We're on Instagram, rafjambnb. We are on Facebook, Raf Jam Bed and Breakfast. And just Google Raf Jam. Anything you find is us, you know? But let me tell you one thing though about Raf Jam. This is very important. Contacting us is one thing, but coming here is another thing.
Thank you.
Our last bit of the road is a dirt road.
Yeah.
So we can pick you up. Just call us and let us know that you want to come up, your vehicle is low, we will transport you. You can drive up to the main road, we park your car at a safe area and we shuttle you down. Just let us know in advance.
Awesome.
Yes. And come up. There are signs on the road. We're coming down on the dirt road, which I put up, which is nice, because you know the road is a part of the experience. So I don't think Raf Jam is gonna get an asphalt road. But I do know that once you come through the gate, you don't want to leave.
You don't even remember the road,
Exactly.
the journey.
Exactly. So it's not for everybody. You want to know that when you come here, you're not seeing 1 million people. You can enjoy tranquility.
Yes.
And that's the key.
It's divine.
Yes.
Yes. Brilliant idea, Susan, to have such a beautiful place like this, you know, up in the mountain. Oh my goodness. This morning when I woke up, just to hear the birds chirping and hearing the water roaring, I was like, oh my goodness, this is heaven on earth.
Yes, yes, yes. Thank you. It was a pleasure having you as well.
Trust me, Susan. Keep up the good work, and I know a lot of people who are watching right now gonna come tomorrow.
I know. I mean, one of the sad things is telling people that we don't have availability. I hate to do that because I love to share my piece of paradise with everybody else.
Yeah.
But
So thank you once again, Susan, and for having us, and you'll see us again soon. All right?
see you again soon. Thank you for coming.
Oh